Unang ilam kaseng UDP baru belong ru Menteri Kabinet Jong Sarkar Jelau bakar menselah kasing baar ulang babaro kisin jam de ban chim kya ke Sarkar Assam at miklaya nang ban penlong ya kawat ke baar Jong ke Jingiapynbeit pot bahkan wanra ya ke jing babe den. Haba penpau halor ke Jingiakren ha ke bedai bat ke Jingiapynbeit pot naga banta ke ndreut ligi jaka Jong kawat ke banengkong ulang babaro ladap ban Jingiapynbeit shua bat kinong shong ki badan hagi jaka kaput. Utai menteri ulang bakalong bakong san ban Jingiapynbeit shua ban poi sya ke Jingiate kular.
What has done, no doubt, there's always, we have to have this give and take. But I believe whatever has been done, this is as per the knowledge and then the concern of those local people there. So for that, the people have to be very careful before they said where and then what they said. They has to be very careful. I believe that this time it shouldn't happen to any village. But where whoever feel that they wants to be in Meghalaya, they should say, raise their hands, show their concern that they are with Meghalaya, and we'll protect them. And we don't want to waste, to lose our land. Neither we want to take the land from the other state, nor we want our land to be taken by others.